This is a video that I know a lot of you have probably been waiting for. If you are familiar with my channel, I'm sure you also love Mejuri, and I'm so excited to be able to share all the sale info with you guys. This video is sponsored by Mejuri, but if you've been around on my channel for any amount of time, you know that I am Mejuri obsessed. Basically, all of my jewelry is from Mejuri, and so I'm so excited to work with them on a holiday video. I will have all of the sale information down below in the description box so you can read through all the details, but basically there are 2 key dates that you need to know about. Early access for the sale will start on the 22nd for Mejuri Plus members. It's free to become a member. You just go to the website and sign up. You will have access to 25% off of $150 minimum spend starting on November 22nd, and then it's open to the public on the 25th. I'll have the dates that the sales end, but basically this is their one sale a year. Mejuri doesn't do a lot of sales, so if you are interested in grabbing anything for yourself or to gift to a loved one, definitely be sure to take advantage of this sale. I'm gonna go through a bunch of new arrivals that I think are so gorgeous and would just make wonderful gifts for the holidays. I'll also have everything that I show you guys linked down below in the description box, along with everything that I am wearing in this video. We have 2 boxes to go through. We're gonna start with the smaller box here. For those of you guys who have never ordered from Mejuri, I always like to do one unboxing to just show you how your package will arrive and then what comes in it. So this is what the box looks like. It has the gold or silver Mejuri tape. Inside of our box, we have a dust bag. Every order comes with a canvas dust bag that has the jewelry boxes in it. We open up our dust bag. We've got 2 jewelry boxes. This is what the box looks like. We've got the embossed logo, the logo on the front, and it has a little bit of like a magnetic closure, which I love to keep jewelry in here whenever I travel. I put them in the dust bags that they come with, and then I'll just pop a few of the dust bags in one of these boxes, and it's just a really good way to transport your jewelry. But inside of our box here, we've got some dust bags. This is what the Mejuri dust bag looks like. It's this black dust bag with a gold lettering on it. And inside of our first dust bag here, we've got some new earrings. So these are the Stevie hoops in burgundy enamel, which if you guys couldn't tell by the top that I'm wearing, I'm so into this color right now. This is definitely the color of the season, and I love that Mejuri came out with a color combo with burgundy. I think these are so pretty. I think they maybe have like 6 or 7 different versions of these hoops now, but I just love this deep burgundy. It's so pretty. Before I pop in the new earrings, I wanted to give you a rundown of the earrings that I have in right now. So I've gotten these really cool, almost like geo hoops. These are vermeil, and I just thought they were so unique. I will have all of the pieces that I talk about linked in the description box in the order that I talk about them, but I just really love these. They're such a good size too, not too big, not too small. Then I have on these bezel diamond huggy earrings, which I love as a second piercing, but obviously you could wear them in your main piercing. And then these are new as well. These are the bezel emerald studs, and I am obsessed with these. I love the cut of them and the fact that they're a bezel. I just think they're so unique. You don't see a lot of emerald cut bezel diamonds very often, but they are so pretty. So I'm gonna take out these hoops here, and these just have a hinge clasp like so. And I'm gonna put in the Stevie hoops. What's nice about these too is if you just want to wear the hoop like this, you can just do that, or you can always add this part to the hoop and switch up the look. But this is what they look like, and they are so pretty. I just love anything burgundy right now, and so I think these are such a fun accessory to add to your outfit, especially if you are wearing a burgundy top or burgundy bag. I just feel like they match so perfectly. Like, look how pretty they look with my sweater. So gorgeous. In our next box, we've got a necklace. This is the Pave Diamond Wishbone necklace. This one is a very dainty piece, but the diamonds are so gorgeous. For my necklaces right now, I've got on the base chain necklace. I believe it's the 16-inch, but like I said, I'll have the exact one linked in the description box. And then the Rolo chain charm necklace with the oversized diamond pendant. But I'm going to actually remove this one and add on the wishbone necklace. This wishbone necklace has 3 different chain lengths that you can adjust. This one would be such a beautiful gift because you could wear it by itself or you could layer it. I feel like it's just such a really beautiful necklace to have. This is it on the middle length. Such a dainty, beautiful piece. We've got one more dust bag for this box. And in here, it looks like we've got some earrings. These are the dome texture hoops in vermeil, and I absolutely love any sort of earring or ring with some really good texture. These are a much bigger hoop, so they're definitely like a statement, but they're actually not as heavy as I thought they were gonna be. So they're pretty comfortable in the ear for how big they are and like how chunky they are. I love the texture on these. I just think they're such a good statement earring. I love doing these videos because I always have one mismatched earring. But getting into the big box now, looks like we've got a lot of dust bags because we've got 2 layers. Starting off with this dust bag here, looks like we've got a jewelry box. And under here, we've got a bracelet. This is the lab-grown sapphire tennis bracelet, and it is so beautiful. I just love any sort of tennis bracelet, tennis necklace. Obviously, I'm a big fan of the sparkle, if you could not tell. Before I pop on that new bracelet though, I've got on the paperclip chain charm bracelet with some charms. I have on the aquamarine birthstone charm, the cursive letter charm in J, and then the pave diamond number charm, the number 3. And then I have the lab-grown diamond bezel bracelet or tennis bracelet, and then the serpentine chain bracelet, and then the, I think this is the Patra lab-grown diamond bracelet as well. And honestly, I don't take any of these off. I shower in them, I sleep in them. I pretty much never ever remove them. These are all 14 karat gold and diamond, so I just wear them all the time. I believe this one's sterling silver and lab-grown white sapphire. I was between getting the extra small and the small. I ended up getting the small, but I honestly think I'm going to exchange this for the extra small. The sizing online, I'm not gonna lie, kind of threw me off because it sounded like the extra small would actually be too small, but I should have known. I normally get the smallest size in all of their bracelets and they work, but I ended up getting the small. So I'm gonna definitely exchange this one, get a smaller size, but it's so gorgeous. Is this not like the most beautiful sparkly bracelet you've ever seen? Like, I am obsessed and definitely want to make sure that I get this in the right size because probably will wear this one nonstop. You cannot go wrong with just like a classic tennis bracelet. We've got another kind of like larger box, and I believe this one should be a necklace. Ooh, so pretty. So this is the lab-grown sapphire tennis necklace in 15.5 inch. And it is so pretty. I'm gonna get it out. Oh, I'm so excited. I love, obviously, anything a little sparkly. I also love this box. That was very nice. So this is the necklace. It's just like the bracelet. So gorgeous though. Also, this is what the clasp looks like. It has these hinges that lock it into place, and then you just push this down and it releases like that. Ooh, she's sparkly. Very pretty. Let me take this one off. So this is what the necklace looks like. So gorgeous. I almost don't mind mixing silver and gold, especially when it's any sort of tennis style, because you really do want the prongs to be silver so that it almost makes the stone more sparkly. I just think this would look so pretty with a black dress if you're going out to a holiday party or going to like a really nice event. Just a really gorgeous, simple necklace. I almost like wouldn't even layer it with something, like just wear it by itself. I think it definitely just speaks for itself. It's so pretty. This is definitely the most elegant necklace that I own. It's so pretty. Getting into the other dust bags now. In our first one, it looks like we've got a necklace with a pearl charm, baby Rolo chain in 14 karat gold, and the pearl charm in the letter C. I honestly love all of Mejuri's charms. I have some of their diamond charms, their pearl charms. I feel like they are just really meaningful. So I got the pearl in the letter C for my daughter's name, Cecilia. Also, if you're looking for a good chain to wear with different charms, the baby Rolo chain is a really, really good one. It's like a little bit thicker than a dainty chain, so it just is a little bit more substantial, and I really like the Rolo design. In our next box, we've got a bracelet. This is the timepiece bracelet. Really unique. I love this one. Look how gorgeous this one is. I love all of the detail in it. So pretty. It almost reminds me of the serpentine bracelet, but it's more intricate. Has a lot more texture too. I really love this one. Ooh, this one is so pretty. It's like so unique. I love. So again, I was a little bit confused on the sizing. I ended up getting this in a small, but I'm definitely gonna get an extra small and exchange this one. But I just absolutely love this. I think it's so pretty. Looks almost like a watch band, which is probably why it's called a timepiece bracelet. Just really pretty and so unique. I've never seen anything like this before. I can't believe it, but we're already on our last dust bag. I feel like this one has flown by. In here we've got a ring. This is the dome texture ring in vermeil. Matches the earrings. So these are the earrings. And then this is the ring. So pretty if you wanted to get a set. For my rings, I have on the pave figure ring, the duo ring, which is what I always wear. I honestly forgot what this one is called, but I will have it linked down below. And then this is the diamond wishbone stacker ring and the emerald baguette ring. This is what the dome texture ring looks like. It's got some good height to it, really pretty. I love the texture on it. Also very much a statement. And then our last box here, we have got a bracelet. This is the slim cuff bracelet, and this one is 14 karat yellow gold. What's really pretty about this one is it has almost like a brushed finish to it. So it's not super shiny. You can see the inside of it is really shiny, but then the exterior is almost like a brushed metal. Gorgeous though. I got this one, I think in a small as well, but this is actually the smallest size for this bracelet. So this one doesn't come in an extra small, but it's just so pretty. I don't wear a lot of cuffs, but I really love just the minimal, sleek design of it. And because it is a cuff, I just kind of tightened it around my wrist, and I think it fits perfectly. So definitely not gonna come off, but if I wanted to slip it on and off, I could just kind of bend it very carefully. I really like that. And because it's gold, I can wear it in the shower. You can work out in it. I can just keep it on. So I really love that. I think it's a really good kind of addition to my stack because it's just very different than all of my other bracelets. And then last of our dust bags here, we've got ooh, some really beautiful earrings. I'm so excited about these. These are the Lab Sapphire Huggies, and they are so stunning. I'm gonna take out these bezel Huggies and pop in the Lab Sapphire ones. These ones are gold vermeil as well, so you want to be careful with these ones. Make sure you don't shower in them. Ooh, I love those. Those are so pretty. You can see they're more of a bold earring than the bezel ones. The size difference, but these bezel ones are diamond and gold though, so these ones are able to be worn in the shower, whereas these ones are vermeil. So pretty. I really love those. But those are all of the new arrivals for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of my top picks. Like I said, the Mejuri sale is happening now. So be sure to check out the description box for all of the sale details. I will have everything that you need to know about it down below. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you end up grabbing from the sale. And if you happen to be new here and you want to stick around for some more videos, I would love to have you back on my channel. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys.